Welcome to Young's Customs TV. On this episode, we pulled a 6-cylinder out and put in a 440. Yeah!
All right, watch this. Ready? See? Now it's fine. The body flex off.
You're ready? We call it Project Darkwing. Right?
Project.
Isn't Jeep? Yeah, me too.
Jeez.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, I saw that.
I bought it for the rims for my van.
And it turned out to be.
It turned out to be all right. Oh, it's a AM General CJ-5. Is that right? So it was a mail truck, mail Jeep. We found that out by little balls. Little balls, mail Jeep. It's a mail Jeep. It was a mail Jeep because it has the little balls. But anyway, so
it was a mail Jeep. What that mean for the Jeep?
So it was actually, I think, a mail delivery Jeep, MAIL. So it had sliding doors and whatnot, I assume. Even though it doesn't look like it. Oh, this is all hand fabricated by somebody. So that's kind of cool. Somebody had put new leaf springs in the back. I don't know. I thought it was just a piece of shit. So I just bought it for the rims because they were like, I thought the value of the whole thing was in the rims. So as it turns out, it's two-wheel drive. That's the other male Jeep thing. Apparently female Jeeps are four-wheel drive.
That also means it's a 6-cylinder automatic, which is lame.
6-cylinder auto, yeah, it would have been cooler. Or 4-speed.
4, I think they had, didn't they?
I don't know. It seems pretty cool. It's pretty solid. So what the hell, you know?
Yeah, might as well have a little fun with it.
The guy said that it ran like a year ago, and the head gasket popped or cracked or something. Head cracked or. Either way, there were some cool parts on it, but I don't really want to fiddly fart around with a 6-cylinder when I have a big block Mopar in the back.
Big block time again. Big block number 2.
Be a good push rig, you know. We could fix up that bumper a little bit, and then should be a good push rig or tow rig or so.
Dirt drags, yes.
Dirt drags, burnouts, screwing around.
It's a barrel of fun.
Screwing around. Just gonna be a screw around Jeep. That's what Jeep's for.
It's just gonna be like.
You get a Jeep to beat on, right?
Jeeping around, yeah?
We're just gonna Jeep with it. Jeep around.
Go ahead and Jeep. It's gonna be like the Nova all over again. Right?
Yeah, except but easier.
Yeah. This is a poopy little 232 6-banger. It is free after we got it home.
What year? 75?
71.
71?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
It's got a Motorola ignition system, you know it's good. There's the AM General and the VIN number, you can run it now. But it'd be cooler than stock.
Yeah, I don't know. I was just gonna buy it for the rims and then it's like, what the hell? Dead.
So much for activities.
Yeah.
That's gonna cool a 440?
Well, we're not gonna run fenders, right?
No.
They probably won't. I don't have anything else.
Alright, sounds good. Run it.
Maybe I do. I don't know. I don't know that I have anything better, bigger. I have to think about it. Somewhere is the radiator for the big cat.
Oh, well, I still don't think that'd be enough. Something tells me.
Yeah, that's
slow.
Yeah.
Really?
That's
I
3
think
core?
so.
4 core.
A 350?
It's not 4.
Maybe 3.
Ow!
You know we have more tools in the toolbox, right?
Are we taking the whole front end off, or are we leaving this?
We could just as well pop this off too, because I think there's only a couple of bolts.
Just this, or the fender too?
The fender's gotta go.
The fender's
bad black.
Okay, well in that case.
It wasn't until like we actually saw it that it was like, okay, well this could be something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like me and you
there.
both thought that this thing was just a pile of garbage.
Yeah.
I figured it would be rusted out because all Jeeps are usually rusted out this old.
Yeah, this ain't.
But it's not because it's
Completely remade.
fabricated.
Yeah, every part that was original is all rusty.
12 gauge too.
Yeah, it's huge.
So this is not really like an off-road rig, it's a two-wheel drive. So.
Exactly.
This would be sick if we can.
Sand rail.
Yeah, if we can budget that somehow, that would be really fun.
That'd be epic.
Yeah. Paddle tires on the sand. Michigan.
That'd be sweet. There's sand dunes in Michigan.
Yeah, that's epic.
Really? Are they big?
It's so cool. You're riding through trees, and it's like this kind of, but way more dense with trees. And then you come into this town, and then all of a sudden you see a lake, and then your eyes kind of adjust, and it's like the biggest freaking sand dunes you've ever seen. And there's people running sand rails, and dirt bikes,
It's not a lake?
4-wheelers. Yeah, it's right into the lake.
What? Sure.
We should take this heater core off. You don't need that crap. Who has a heater? Well, I guess.
Mailman. This was not always open.
Oh yeah. Should have gotten the correct size wrenches.
You didn't know that straight six is the most balanced engine in the world. Because of its firing orders, it ran very smooth.
What is the firing order? 3, 2, 1?
Didn't he say it shifted really good?
Yeah.
I know.
Unless it came off after that.
Huh.
Just jeeping around.
Oh Jesus. How in the earth?
How on the earth?
Now what's the trouble we're trying to say?
Where?
So not like that the hose and stuff?
Oh. Well done, hole.
Jesus. Bringing that back.
I'll do it.
All right. Left her.
Like that.
There you go.
Yeah. Removal in.
The baby was born.
Maybe it's easier than chopping it.
He just told.
That was a wild thing.
I know, but still.
If somebody throws a block into the back of this, I'm gonna tip over.
Put it in park. Why is it not in park?
I don't know. It's almost like somebody took the shifter linkage off of it.
Oh. Here's what we think of fenders on Jeeps.
Are you filming?
Throw her off. Yeah, get her out of there. Throw it. No, the horns! Why didn't you take them off? Look at all that room for activities.
Actually, should
Eli, go look at that big box transmission output shaft and see what it looks like.
Got it. The transmission. Yeah, okay.
What size do you suppose that is? Huh?
You look like an English settler with your hair.
Mike Smith.
Yeah.
Mike Jones.
Mike
Jones. Mike Jones.
It's moving.
Yeah, it's moving on mine. Fresh out.
Better?
Oh, yeah, baby. The trouble light.
Oh, she's coming.
You still hooked it.
Watch your tits here.
Oh, hold up.
Oh, we got some wires. Oh, oil pressure line.
Because it's got an oil pressure gauge, we could reuse it.
We'll put a new line on her. V will have it in the back anyway. Oh, look out!
That's supposed to come out of his back water jacket.
Oh, it's just water. Ew, get that away from me. Don't fling it at me.
No, I'm blessing you.
Oh, okay, yeah. I christen you with 6-cylinder blood.
There it is. The motor's out.
Woohoo. Look at this hunk of junk.
Well, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everybody.
Are we done already? Voila, just like that. Little movie magic.
Forklift certified.
It was the other one. $440 cubic inches of pure American power. Old, new. Old, new.
Oh, we're not done yet. Oh.
Look at that transmission. It's like practically the same.
Boxed up.
No, look at
Yeah.
No, it ain't. Look at it go.
That ain't going nowhere.
There.
Pull the AC pump off. Oh, shucks.
Ooh, what is that, Dad? I don't know what that is. Thermal quad. Oh. Is that good?
I don't know anything about Chrysler products.
Are you gonna be able to tune it, or is it gonna run perfect?
It's all stock. Somebody cut that, it looks like. It's unfortunate. You got an electronic dipstick here.
Wow, fancy. What's that mean? Oh, does that mean we can't check it?
Probably got to get a regular dipstick. Yeah, that looks like the same transmission mount. Supposed to bolt right in.
Oh, you're talking about taking the tail shaft off?
Back here and eyeball.
This thing. Where's our light here?
Taking a 5-minute break.
29 inches.
Taking a 5-minute break as we get everything ready.
24. So, have to move the engine at about 6 inches.
Second
Should be able to do that. Gotta get an extension.
Oh, you moved. Here. What the f is that?
Wow.
Yeah.
How much does that weigh?
50 pounds?
Yeah, that's serious weight reduction.
Yeah, really.
Faster already. That bracket doesn't seem like you should pick the motor up with that bracket.
Hello there.
Wrong place at the wrong time.
Did I get you?
No, it was close though.
Oh, someone got some horseshoes and hand grenades. Oh good, it's heavy as in front.
Oh wow, that works.
Yeah, you're onto something there.
Now you're using your head, huh?
Can't be that tough. You can think of that.
Yeah, this ain't my first rodeo.
That's, yeah.
Just watch your tips in case she drops or something.
See, I'm doing the old. Maybe one.
Up or down?
Just like a quarter-inch below the bumper.
Oh, it's got one of those. That's good.
Oh. Oh yeah.
What? What's wrong?
How's that gonna work?
It probably won't.
What's wrong?
Front sump.
Oh.
Yep. That's why I got my hand on the highest point of the motor. Way above it.
My exhaust is an issue here.
Okay.
Cross number. That. Well, we're gonna have to go a long ways back.
Oh, to clear the sump?
Yeah, on that axle.
Like cut firewall back?
Yeah, because that axle's in a really bad place. If it went straight down, it'd clear the axle, but it wouldn't clear the rest of the steering components.
Can you, no you can't mount it any further forward, can you?
Stick out past the hood. You know, because you gotta figure this is where the
Yeah,
it's supposed to be.
Yeah, lengthen
This
the,
is where it's supposed to be.
you could lengthen the frame rails, mount it forward. Huh.
The dipstick too.
It'd be goofy.
Oh.
Tough one.
Mm-hmm. It is a tough one. I never even thought to look at that.
No, nobody did.
The sump for the
Yeah,
oil.
either.
Stupid
Wow.
Chryslers.
Not to make excuses, but normally everything you do is Chevy, so it's rear sump.
Well, rear sumper's a lot smarter if you really think about it.
Yeah, because gravity pushes the oil to the back.
Yeah. When you're driving down the road, it's all going to slosh backwards.
Well, under hard acceleration.
Yeah, hard acceleration. Oy.
It's an optional feature. Whoa, square ports. Classy.
And the hose.
A, brake, B, come out, C, not move.
Forgot about round off.
Oh.
You also forgot spontaneous combustion.
Ah, yes.
You can never roll that out.
Yeah, you can.
Can't be stuck if it's liquid.
Oh, here goes the beer in my hand.
Yeah, you don't have smell vision. Yeah.
Hey, that's the fuel pump, by the way.
Huh?
The fuel pump is right there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Come on. I got it. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh.
It's that,
Hey, will it just sit right there? Set it
link.
on. Oh yeah, because the suspension has to move, I suppose, huh? Well, it's technically not touching. You got like an inch and a half of clearance. How much does this front suspension move, do you think?
Until it hits the frame rail.
Oh, see if it's really
We'd
blown
just
up.
take that whole cross member out of there, and then if we had a center sump, then we could let it down quite a bit. It wouldn't have to go back anymore, would it?
No.
Well,
Shit, wrong way.
There it is, it's in. Woohoo. Woohoo. Wow,
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
that looks pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie.
I guess we put a center sump on it. It'd kind of be nice to hear it run first, but
Yeah. How would you do that? 30-day return? Just wash it off real good and put it back in there. Send it off.
let's close this up. Hey, we'll see you next time. We're late. We gotta go. Come on back. We'll do more problem solving on this hunk of garbage here.
see you guys later. Have a good night.